The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is poised to be a flagship powerhouse, blending cutting-edge technology with refined design. Anticipated to launch in early 2026, it is expected to feature a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 4K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth interactions. Under the hood, the device is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM, facilitating seamless multitasking and gaming experiences. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the advanced 200MP AI-powered quad camera system, which may include a 50MP ultra-wide lens, a 32MP periscope zoom lens with 10x optical zoom, and a 12MP macro lens, enabling versatile and high-quality shots. The front camera is expected to be a 50MP AI-enhanced sensor, perfect for detailed selfies and 4K video calls. Battery life is set to impress with a 7,000 mAh capacity, supporting 150W wired fast charging and 60W wireless charging, ensuring minimal downtime. The device is also anticipated to come with an upgraded S Pen featuring AI capabilities and handwriting recognition, enhancing productivity. With an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, Gorilla Glass Victus 3 for durability, and an armor aluminum frame, the S26 Ultra is designed to withstand daily wear and tear. Additionally, it is expected to receive 7 years of software and security updates, offering long-term support. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra aims to set new standards in the smartphone industry, combining top-tier performance, innovative features, and robust design.